day 5, and we're continuing along the south coast. We just left Höfn, something. Today is not going to be so waterfally and hikey. We're just going to check out some seaside view sites, that quaint little Icelandic town, and whatever else we'll see along the way. All right, we'll see you on the road. We're on the road. We are at a lighthouse. I don't know why, but it's a nice viewpoint. Let me show you the surrounding mountains, which are pretty cool. There's the fine Toyota Yaris. Chaptapuk. Oh, it's a cold one up here. I don't know if it's still functioning. It's functioning as a cell phone tower. Well, that was our little 1-minute stop at the Orange Lighthouse. The location is right there. I'll put it there, because I don't know how to say it or how to pronounce it. Say it, whatever. Okay, back on the road. Oh, there it is. I think Pook said this is like a fishing village. So we're just gonna kind of check things out. You need to get some gas. Alright, let me turn this around. Okay, we are in this town. I'll put the name there. And we're at this display, this art piece called Eggin. And it's supposed to represent, each egg is supposed to represent a different species that's found in Iceland. But I hope these aren't to scale. I'll show you why. That would be a big Falco rusticolus, falki. Parking's at the far end, but as soon as we get back over here at the beginning, there's a whatchamacallit, a little display, a little placard that explains things. That's fine. And this is the egg Pook just laid. That thing is huge. I will have to look up Gavia stellata. Stellata usually means spotted. I don't know what Gavia is. Here it is. Eggin I Gleðivík. I don't know how to say that. Eggs of Mary Bay by this person was revealed on the 14th of August. Consists of 34 eggs, each one representing a local bird. I think from here we're going to go back that way and check out the harbor with the boats in it. This is a fishing village. So I think that's it for the Eggin display. Just wanted to check these eggs out. It's kind of interesting. Here is the quaint little fishing village of, put the name there.
This is the same.
Yeah. It's got to be some kind of sundial or something. Oh, we're just sitting on the top of the world. See? Kind of looks like it. Maybe. Alrighty. I think we're gonna go down and check out the boats and get some gas and then go on to the next spot. Yep. So we're going to eat at the Langabúð or something. There's the name of it. Or just get a coffee and some treats. That looks like a sturdy frickin' boat. Like it's not gonna sink. Alright. Chocolate cake. Americano. You like the cake, Poop?
I like the sponge cake, but this one I think about is fine. It's not dry, it's moist.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the what I got the frosting is a different frosting I tasted before.
Okay. Well, I think that's it for the restaurant. We're going to take off and go on to the next place, so we'll see you out on the road. Don't know where we're going. Waterfall River Valley.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go check it out. A short walk. Oh god. Oh, it's windy here. We're already here. Oh, it's real windy. I don't know if you can hear the wind. Nikes. I think Poop is getting ready to be blown away. Or she's gonna lose her hat. This is a shortcut. We are currently in the town of, insert name here, and we're going to check out some things. So first off is going to be this blue church. Let me turn this around. There's the blue church. Who wanted to see that? Kind of a nice town. Let me get this first. There's the little town. Oh, this guy's filming me. These kitschy buildings. What's that? Poop wants to go inside the church. The door keeps opening. I don't know if that's a sign. Okay, we just drove a little ways down the road. I cleared a couple minutes because there's a waterfall that Poop wants to go see. And that's the ferry terminal. Well, we're going to the bridge. So this does look a little human-made. There's Pook. The view looking away from the waterfalls is just impressive. So I think that's it for this town. There's the name. Now we're going to go somewhere else. There's the name. Yeah, we'll see you on the road. Okay, we checked into the hotel because it was on the way to the next thing we're going to see, which is something canyon. I'll put the name right there. And it's about an hour away from the hotel. So we're going to drive out there, check it out, and then come back. Oh, okay, let me turn this around. Put the name there, Canyon. And we're going to go check it out. Well, I think there's the stairs. Let's go look at the map real quick. This is what we're going to do. There's a view. All right, it's 225 stairs or something like that. What does it say?
I did not see it. They did not say that.
It's a long ways down. I'll stop along the way. We're about halfway down now. The other way is to park way down there and then hike, I think 2.5, 3 miles in. Oh, it's a cold one down here. Everybody's flying their drones. Okay, that was for 220 some steps, whatever. We're gonna head back up now. Poop wants to go down there. I just want to get back up these steps. It is cold out. I think it's like 10 degrees. So anyway, I'm gonna turn this off while I go up the stairs. Okay, let's check this one out. Now there's the waterfall. It's cold, look. Alright. Went down the hill, down the steps, back up the steps. That's it for tonight. That's it for today. I think we've done enough. It's 6 o'clock right now. Almost 6 o'clock. So we're gonna call that a night. And tomorrow we'll be back on the road. And we're going to a puffin place, which should be cool. Anyway, that's it. We will see you in the next video. Ciao.